Well, no snow, but it is raining. Apparently it's going to rain all day. But it doesn't really matter when you can wake up to things like this. Right, while the weather is favourable, I'm going to have a walk around Bastia. Normally I'd have a plan about where I'm going to go and what I'm going to do, but that's the beauty of just winging it. You never know what you might find. Bastia. Now I'm going to go down south, I think. Let's see if I can get my van out of the car park. Well, what can I say? Had a little walk around Bastia. Very quaint, very nice. The sun's shining, beating down 16, 17 degrees. And I know back in England, it's nowhere near that. I'm not gloating or anything, but I thought I was going to be caught up in all of that whilst I was here. That may change, but whilst the sun is shining, it's glistening off the mountain tops over there. I'm going to enjoy it. On the way down to Corsica-Bastia or thereabouts, down south, we'll see what greets me there. Stopping off all day, taking photographs and filming and doing all that type of stuff. No more driving for me tonight. I'm only 20 or so miles outside of Porto Viejo, I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I shall leave you with this.